What's up, everybody? It's the Common Sense Investor coming at you with another video. In this video, I'm going to continue on with talking about options and how to understand them before you get involved in them, or you may have gotten an option and not understood exactly what was going on. So we're going to take a look here at AMC real quick, and I'm going to explain what the bid, the ask, all right. There's a whole lot more involved in options plays, such as you've got implied volatility, delta, gamma. And if you click right here on Webull, I'm using Webull because TradingView does not have the options chain, but Webull does. But if you click right here in the options section, you get a list of things that you can add to your option information down here on the bottom. The bid, the ask, the last price, the volume, open interest, implied volatility, delta, gamma, vega, thea, and RHO. These are called the Greeks. They're very important. Deltas means that's how much the option price will go up in relation to every dollar that the stock price goes up. Gamma is your time. The closer it gets to expiration, the more that the stock price, the options price will lose money. All right, and so on and so forth. But right now, we're only going to concentrate on what it means by bid and ask. All right, this is very important because the first time I bought an option, I had to buy according to ask, and it was $1. And then I look as soon as I do it, boop, and I look. And I'm like, how the fuck am I down? I've only held this option for 2 seconds. The stock hasn't moved, but I'm negative in my options. Well, the reason for that is the bid. This ask is what you're willing to buy it for. The bid is what someone is willing to buy it from you for. See? Now, this $9 strike price for AMC's call option is $1. So it's going to cost you $100 to buy that option. Now, the second it hits your portfolio, it's only going to be worth $98, which means you're down $2 from Jump Street the second you buy that option. If you come on down and you want the $9.50 strike, then you're going to pay 73 cents or $73 for that option. The moment it hits your portfolio, it's only worth 70 cents or $70. You're going to be down $3 on that options play from Jump Street. The option will have to increase by 3 cents just for you to break even. Now, the bid and the ask, the difference between these two is called the spread, okay? And if we look at General Mills, for example, we can see that a $40 strike price for General Mills, which is in the money by $35, all right, it's going to cost you $36.50. So we take a look at that. It's going to cost $36.50 right there. $36.50 times 100 shares that are in the contract. You're going to spend $3,650 to buy a $40 call for General Mills. Now, the moment you press the buy button, it's only worth $35.50. So now $35.50 times 100 is $3,550. So the moment you buy that option, you're down $100 because of the spread is $1. So what you want to do is you want to try to find an option where the spread is as little as possible. For example, with AMC, you can look and see, hey, this one's 10-cent spread. This is a 10-cent spread. Over here on AMC, if you wanted to get a $1 call, you're $8.72 in the money. It's going to cost you $8.75 to buy that. But the moment you do, there's a 10-cent gap there. All right? Here, 10 cents. Here, 10 cents. And you go on down the list. Here, 10 cents. Here, 5 cents. Here, 2 cents. They're getting better for you. So that if you buy a $9 call that's in the money, 72 cents, you're going to pay $1. When that's $100. The moment you look in your portfolio after the purchase, you see it's down $2. So that's not too bad. If you look at the delta, we see that it's 69 cents. So for every dollar that AMC goes up after you purchase this option, it's going to move up 69 cents. And like, for example, right here, it's only 45 cents, but once it gets into the money, the options price starts moving faster for you. So there's a million different strategies to options. You're going to have to research and watch what all these different strategies are and pick the best one for you. Me, I like the weekly options that are lottery tickets. All right. In this particular case, in the last video I showed y'all, I bought the 850 call. It wasn't that expensive. It was cheap. It was 37 cents, and then the second one I bought was 19 cents. But look at it now. All right, because it moved up from 850 to 972. So understand, look at this. Go to your options chain and practice saying it to yourself. I have to pay $2.28. It's only going to be worth $2.09. So you have to make up that difference, which is going to be 19 cents. Same thing here, and then you just keep going. $1, it's only going to be worth 98. $73 is only going to be worth 70, and so forth. This one here at $52 or 52 cents a share is going to be worth $51. That's a good call option. There's no big spread there for you to have to try to cover, but it's going to have to move up from $9.72 to $10. All right, so it's that simple. This is the ultimate basic that you need to understand, and you need to practice. Like I said, talking to yourself. I'm going to pay this much. It's going to be worth this much. I'm going to pay this much. It's going to be worth this much. So that when you get ready to actually buy an option, it'll be in your mind, it'll be boom, boom, boom. You'll understand immediately. I'm going to pay this price, but what's it going to be worth, and is that worth me getting into? So with that, that's how you understand bid and ask. And in another video that I'll do coming up, I'm going to talk about the volume, the open interest, and the delta and the gamma. All right. Love y'all. Be blessed. See you in the next video.
Cold red, there's been a glitch in the matrix. They out here wildin' and it's too much, I can't take it. Red pill, blue pill, my mind knew they were shaping. Sound the alarm.